Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome to Jack's Wonderful Adventures. Hope everybody's doing fine out there. Today is a beautiful day. It's Friday, August the 29th. Getting close to September there, guys. And I thought it's a beautiful day, low humidity. It's about 72 degrees. I thought I'd take you for a walk by the lake. I think it's going to be called a beach walk. Wow, bright sun is absolutely beautiful where I am. Very low humidity. Thought I'd take a walk. Just take a walk along the beach and just see how everything's going down here. I haven't been down to the lake for a while. The sun is absolutely beautiful today, so that's what we're going to be doing. Taking a beach walk and just enjoying the air. Guy said it's a cool 72, low humidity. Everything's beautiful and green. Beautiful and green. Want to get all the sun you can and get all the beach walks you can get in before, well, it depends where you live, but I'm in Ohio here. So pretty soon you know it'll be winter time. All right, let's take a walk by the beach. All right. Here we go. Oh, there's a little butterfly. I love to see nature. Everything is so beautiful. We do have a heat wave coming starting Sunday. It's going to be in the upper 80s and middle 90s. I love the heat. I love it hot. Hot and humid is my thing. Oh, hear all the crickets? This is a late summer beach walk. I don't think I've done a beach walk all year. So, only thing, our beaches is not like the beaches out in California. They're kind of rocky and hard. Here we go. Down by the water, guys. Down by the water. I love to hear the sound of the water. Look out there, look at all the seagulls. I don't know if you can see them or not. It's hard to see what I'm filming. They're all over the beach. I'm hoping you can see this. Seagulls everywhere. People swimming in the water, but it's a little cool today for the water. I wouldn't recommend swimming today. We're going to get right down to the water. Whoa. Whoa, sorry about that. I want to get down close as I can. I like to see that water come in. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. I love to hear the sound of the water. A lot of waves out there. Kind of choppy. I don't think I'd recommend boating or anything like that today. Absolutely not. Not a good day for it. It is a good day though, just to walk along the beach and just enjoy the fresh air. Enjoy hearing the water. I like to hear the waves crash and see it. As you can see, there's a lot of debris here on our beach. Wow, what's all this back here? Wow, that's picking up. So I would not recommend, in this kind of weather, I would not recommend boating of any kind. We're gonna take a little walk, see what we can get into. Wow, she's picking up out here. Wow. Okay, this is all hard terrain down here. Whoa. Okay, wow. All right, don't want to trip and break my neck. That wouldn't be very good. Look at that water rolling in. Can't go much further than this. All right, I am going to try and make my way back without breaking my neck. There's a lot of stones down here, a lot of twists and turns. All right, okay, there we go. Whew. There I am on the beach. Hello, everybody. That sun is beautiful and strong. There are some people way down yonder. They got some kids and some umbrellas set up. But like I said, it's a cooler day, about 72. I don't know if I'd recommend, I don't really recommend going in the water, especially with all those waves crashing like that and all that. Especially if you've got young children, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't do it, but to each his own, right? And I'm not even sure what I'm filming because the sun is so bright that I can barely see anything. All right, we're gonna make our way out of here if I can. I'm gonna try. Hopefully you can see the water behind me. My screen is just pitch black. The sun is that bright, I can barely see anything. Hope everybody's having a great, happy Friday. That song by George Jones pops into my mind. It's finally Friday. Another weekend. Hope everybody's going to enjoy the weekend. I got a lot of more cool stuff coming up here on my channel pretty soon. I just thought today I would take a beach walk since I haven't been down the beach, I don't think, at all this summer. And I was dying to do a nice beach walk for you, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Nothing real exciting, but I do got some new adventures and new ideas in the works. We'll have some stuff coming up. Just a matter of getting to these locations and filming them. Especially with Halloween coming up too. There'll be a lot of cool stuff coming out, so I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. Everybody take care, and we'll see you again on the next adventure. Have a fantastic weekend.